Blow dry like a pro with the BaBylissPRO Titanium Professional Italian Dryer. The ultimate blowout begins with power drying. The titanium dryer focuses on 3 things to help you style like a pro: protecting the hair's natural luster, sealing the cuticle, and the perfect balance of temperature and wind speed. To blow out like a pro, we recommend taking sections near the bottom and working your way up. Place the brush on top of the section to both hold and smooth the hair, and with high heat and high airflow, aim the concentrator nozzle to direct the air towards the ends. Heat the hair from the underneath and roll up. The brush will act as a hot roller to set and smooth the hair. This creates the ultimate body and fullness. Again, place the brush on top of the section, wrap the hair securely, and aim the concentrator nozzle towards the ends. Heat the hair while on the brush, and gently unravel to reveal body and fullness. The Titanium Professional Dryer features the ideal combination of temperature and air performance that will have you perfecting your blowout in no time. To get height in the crown area, overdirect the section forward and blow dry using the same technique. The most important element is to heat the hair while on the brush and set like a roller with high heat. The combination of titanium, negative ions, and high performance make the BaBylissPRO Professional Titanium Italian Dryer the ultimate tool to style like a pro.